Looking for the best hot air rework stations in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best hot air rework stations available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Silverflow 8586D 2-in-1 soldering station is a practical and efficient tool for electronics repair, SMD rework, and DIY projects. Combining a hot air gun and soldering iron in one compact unit, it saves workspace while delivering reliable performance. The dual digital displays make it easy to monitor and adjust temperature settings with precision. Its 10-minute sleep mode helps extend tip life and improves safety by reducing unnecessary heat. Fast heating, stable temperature control, and user-friendly operation make it suitable for both beginners and experienced technicians. Overall, the Silverflow 8586D offers excellent value, versatility, and dependable performance for professional soldering tasks. Number 4. The YIHUA 8786D soldering iron and hot air rework station is an excellent all-in-one solution for electronics repair, phone maintenance, and SMD/BGA rework. Its compact design combines a precise soldering iron with a powerful hot air gun, making it highly versatile for various tasks. The digital display provides accurate temperature control, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Fast heat-up times and stable performance help improve productivity, while the user-friendly controls make it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Overall, the YIHUA 8786D delivers reliable performance, convenience, and great value for repair enthusiasts. Number 3. The BK602 Pro Rework Station is a powerful 2-in-1 soldering and hot air rework solution designed for professional electronics repair and precision work. Compatible with C115, C210, and C245 heating cores, it offers excellent flexibility for handling everything from delicate SMD components to larger soldering tasks. The station heats up quickly, maintains stable temperatures, and provides precise control for efficient repairs. Its integrated hot air blower delivers consistent airflow, making BGA and PCB rework easier and safer. With a compact design, responsive controls, and reliable performance, the BK602 Pro is an outstanding choice for technicians, hobbyists, and repair professionals. Number 2. The RF4 NEW 1000W Fast Desoldering Hot Air Gun Soldering Station H2 is a high-performance rework tool designed for professional PCB, BGA, and chip repair applications. Its powerful 1000W heating system delivers rapid heat-up times, helping technicians complete repairs efficiently. The digital display provides clear temperature monitoring and precise adjustments for greater control during delicate soldering and desoldering tasks. Intelligent temperature regulation ensures stable performance while protecting sensitive electronic components from overheating. With strong airflow, reliable operation, and a user-friendly design, the RF4H2 is an excellent choice for electronics repair shops, technicians, and advanced DIY enthusiasts. Number 1. The Sugan 8630 Pro 1300W Hot Air Gun Rework Station is a professional-grade tool built for demanding BGA rework, desoldering, and electronic repair tasks. Its powerful 1300W heating system provides rapid temperature recovery and consistent performance, making it ideal for precision work on PCBs and chips. The digital display offers accurate temperature monitoring and easy adjustments for optimal control. A specially designed curved nozzle improves airflow direction, enhancing efficiency and reducing the risk of damage to nearby components. With stable temperature regulation, strong airflow, and reliable construction, the Sugan 8630 Pro is an excellent choice for technicians and repair professionals.